myself in a cardboard box, feelings hidden deep down. I found wanna get to know you better. 너와 함께 있으면 나 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이 to make sure.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Today I'm revealing a wig with you guys, and this wig is for subellahair. Came in this burgundy color bag. So cute, right? Yeah, so you're going to love this wig because anything that looks natural, I like it. You guys know me, to install wig is difficult. You guys know. Okay, it's a disclaimer here. You guys know. So when the thing just come very simple for you to install, you don't stress yourself. I love it, and that is what this wig represents. Okay, I'm going to bring it out. It is 13 by 6 lace wig, and this wig is coily and is natural edge. Okay, natural hairline. If you want your wig to be natural, the edge is natural. That is it, and the density is 180 density. So let me bring it out of the bag for us to see how it looks. Okay, so this is it here. 24 inches is written on it. 24 inches. You guys can see it here. There are some goodies that came with it. Oh, Subella. Yes, Subella, you guys are the best. See, they added some goodies. You guys know I don't joke with my goodies. I don't joke with it at all. If any week come without goodies, I'm mad. I'm really mad at it. So with this, we are good to go. A lot came with it. Oh, wow! Eye pencils. You can see these eye pencils. Came with it. Wig cap came with it. This HD wig cap 2 inside, and there is a met band. Oh, nails. Wow, who does that? This is the first time I am saying this. Nails. Wow, although my nails are long, these are my natural nails, you guys know. So I'm going to give this away to someone. Okay, hey, I love this. I'm still going to pop them on. Maybe I will use them. Sorry, I'm going to use them. I will put them on top my nails. Are they press on nails? Do it yourself. 24 natural, delicate and comfort. Do they sell nails? I don't know. I don't know whether they do this on nails on their website. I don't know. And also, ooh, look at these. They added falsies. Wow. Subella, thank you so much. So much. So guys, this is it. Oh, this is the wig. Okay, the lace is bleached. You see it is bleached. The knot of the wig, 13 by 6 4C coily edge baby hairline wig. It's coily. Look at this. You can see that coil. Oh, wow. Should I stand up? Because to me my camera is not doing justice to this hair because it's so gorgeous. This is so lovely. You can see the hairline. This is what I'm dying for. You can see the hairline. You can see the edges. You see that? Wow, that's the natural looking edges. You see, it came center part, and the knot is already bleached for you. And it came with adjustable strap, detachable one, and there is inbuilt one. Okay, detachable one, inbuilt one, and little lace at the back. If you're interested, you guys know how we do it. All information will be on the description box. If there will be any discount code that you will use, it will also be on the description box. So don't hesitate to check it out. The texture is so soft. Let me see. You see my hand? Look at it on my hand. Blends so well. You don't need to bleach the knots. Alright guys, this is it all. This is lovely. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Okay, so I'm going to cut out the excess lace from it. Then let's see if we're going to glue this down. You guys know I don't like gluing my hair down. Let's see if we're going to glue it down because it's so tight, but here is a little bit free. So okay, let's see what we'll do. Guys, you can see this place is not lap. I'm going to use little styling gel on it just to make here sleek, lap little. Okay, you can do the same thing or you can glue it down if you want. Get through to you. I'm going to apply this comeback coils activator. I'll spray it in my hand. I want this to look really natural, so I'm just going to brush that into the hair. Trouble in your mind, babe, why can't you just tell me? You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just trying to brush it so that it will look more natural. Trying to brush it inside my hair. Let me add oil. Just to give it that shine that I want. The coils are already defined, so I just sprayed a little of this to define it the more. Okay. I'm just going to add bronzer, my bronzer, to it so that they don't see the lace. It blends on my skin already, but I just want to do this to make sure everything is covered. That just makes the whole thing blend. So yeah guys, that is it. You see the front of it? I really love this. I love this. It's the natural edges for me. These edges, this natural hairline, it is for me. Okay, the hair is so gorgeous, and I did not wet it. I just added this to it. Okay, this is what I add to it, and I added oil as well. Okay, that's all. And see the shine of the hair. So that's it, gorgeous. I'm going to leave the details on the description, so if you're interested you can check it out. Okay, and like I said, I'll check if there's any discount code. I'm going to include it on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out if you're interested. I love the way it came out. So gorgeous. See the length. See the length? Let me go back. Okay, you guys can see the full length. Yeah. So I want to try and pack it. Let's see if I pack it all back. You guys saw everything. I so much love this hair, and it's easy to work with. If you want to glue it down, if you want to do what I did, it all depends on what you want. If it's not just this hair you want, if it's another hair, maybe straight or any other hair texture you need, go to their website. You're going to see they sell all type of texture there. Any texture of hair you want, they have it there. Please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, okay, and leave your comment. What do you think about the hair? Do you like it? You like these edges? Is this something you think you can rock, or is there something you think I need to do better on it? I think I did better on it. Okay, if it is you, are you going to leave the edges like this, or you prefer to like slay everything back? But I think it is better this way. It all depends on what you want anyway. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.